So the theme of last week's weekly data in our Brooklyn property market report was definitely inventory.
Sure was, and good to see, because as we talked about last week, we were in kind of a 3 or 4 week sequence there of downward trending new to market listings. So quite the about face here last week.
So in the luxury market above 2.25 million, we finally saw 20 new to market listings. Where and what were they?
Yep, so 3 townhouses located in Park Slope, Prospect Heights, and Greenpoint. 6 condo resales, they were in Dumbo, 4 in Park Slope, and another one in Greenpoint. 11 condo sponsor sales, Dumbo having the most with 7, and then Park Slope, Williamsburg, and Brooklyn Heights rounding out the numbers there.
And what about the 23 deals that went into contract?
Sure, 14 of those were townhouses, and priced 12 of those actually were priced between $2.25 and $2.25 and $3.9 million. The top in contract deal last week was the very popular Olympia Dumbo, with the unit going to contract there at $12.9 million.
And in the below 2.25 million market, again, we saw another welcome jump in new to market listings. When did we actually last see that level of new to market listings coming on in a week?
Yeah, so 67 last week. So first week of this year, 94. So that would have been higher. And as we just mentioned, downward trend from that 94 pretty steeply. So we're kind of reverse looking upward now. And then in the fall would have been the last time we saw just deal numbers above 60s in post Labor Day for the fall selling season. Just want to point out here, we are a few days away from weekend of Super Bowl Sunday, which historically has been kind of the turning point or the starting point where the market becomes a little more active with buyers out there looking. So certainly, as we know, as we talked about for weeks now, many buyers out there, just limited inventory. So sellers not quite on the same pace right now if they're going to be there with buyers.
And for the in-contract activity in this below 2.25 million market, it seemed like we had a lot more sponsor new development action.
Yeah, 25 sponsor units coming online versus 11 for resales. 17 of those were between 1.2 and $1.9 million, and spread across a wide range of neighborhoods. Just going to go through the list here for you. Williamsburg, Park Slope, Prospect Heights, Clinton Hill, Boerum Hill, Greenpoint, downtown Brooklyn, and Carroll Gardens.
Impressive list of neighborhoods there.
Yeah, it's good to see. Good to see that there's a wide range of demand and product to choose from, and lots of different 62 neighborhoods in Brooklyn total. So so many great places where people can find the right fit for themselves.
And people open-minded about that too, which is great.
Yeah.
So in terms of the days on market, which asset types seem to be moving the fastest?
So below the 2.25 line, we co-ops at 54 days average on market, followed by townhouses at 79 days on average. The luxury segment that we track, again, co-ops, US days at 73, condo sponsor units 84, condo resales at 88, and then rounding out the group here with townhouses averaging 111 days on market. This all for just from January 1st till last week.
Great, that's it from us. We'll be back next week after the Super Bowl, of course. Hope everyone enjoys that event. And of course, the halftime show, which is most important. See you next week, Donald.
Okay, bye.
Bye.